Take a look at this. A tree grew through a BDP central air conditioner. Unlike anything I've ever seen before. Yeah, you can see it right there where it started.
It's a Tecumseh.
Tecumseh reciprocating compressor.
Tecumseh reciprocating.
1984. 4-ton. Yeah, it's 84.
Okay,
it's at the bottom.
It looks like a Payne.
There's your logo right there.
Does it have a logo?
Yep.
Yeah, it's a Payne.
Absolutely insane. I didn't realize these had partial double layer coils.
We have an old